The quality is much higher with our products. Brodit, our manufacturer in Sweden, they manufacture these products via CNC machining, and some of it's actually hand-tooled depending on the product and the complexity of the product. And it's been that way since the inception of the manufacture in 1983. It's just super high quality with the materials that they use. It started out with ABS with the ProClip vehicle mount, and over the years, based on innovation from what's been pushed to us from customers and customer needs, it's evolved into using acetal polymers, which is a tougher material used for more rugged environments. It needs to withstand a little bit more abuse, if you will. Think of forklifts or garbage trucks. The product needs to hold up to that.